Welcome to the video reference guide for SmartBurner. This state-of-the-art product was designed to help protect employees, properties, and guests from the risks associated with stovetop cooking fires. To get started, open one end of the SmartBurner carton, fold the flaps back, and then turn the package upside down, and the styrofoam-protected SmartBurners will easily slide out of the package. Before you begin installing your SmartBurner, please check that the following parts are in your SmartBurner carton: an owner's manual, 4 replacement burners with factory-installed rings. SmartBurner is designed with temperature-limiting control technology to help prevent cooking fires that result from cooking oils and common combustible household items igniting on the stove. SmartBurner is a direct replacement of the removable coil elements found on most North American electric ranges. Installation is very easy. First, make sure that all the stove element dials are in the off position and that the coil elements are cool enough to touch. Remove all the existing old coil elements from your stove. Now place each SmartBurner in the appropriate drip pan size. That small SmartBurner plate goes into the small drip pan, and the larger plates go into the larger drip pans. Once completed, remember, the SmartBurners and drip pans should sit flat and snugly into its proper element position. It's important to note that SmartBurner does not glow red when turned to high. Therefore, the stove panel light is the best way to determine if a SmartBurner plate is on. We have carefully engineered SmartBurner to help prevent cooking fires, but nothing replaces common sense. So remember, never leave cooking unattended. Thanks for watching.